Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for redress of grievances. This treasured First Amendment sets forth 5 unalienable rights that establish many of the founding principles of a great nation. In recent years, the amendment's Establishment Clause has been broadly construed by various entities to prohibit religious endeavors from being undertaken by those other than Congress. Certain groups have even encroached upon the free exercise of religion clause, claiming a separation that has never existed in the Constitution. Freedom of speech, guaranteed in this amendment, has been tested time and again by those who would seek to silence a free and liberty-loving populace. Freedom of the press is essential to ensure accountability of those who govern and to protect a free and just society. The right to assemble peaceably is an essential guarantee that those who seek tyranny would extinguish. The right to petition the government for redress of grievances allows every citizen to have a voice without fear of government retribution. These are American rights, protected and guaranteed in the Bill of Rights, in our cherished Constitution. Proclaiming the fortitude of the American spirit.